Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel for a new recipe. Today I'm sharing with you a simple vegetable tajine and minced beef packed with warm Moroccan flavors, one of my favorite one-pot meals. This tajine is very tasty, healthy and gluten-free. If you don't have a tajine, you can use a large deep pan with a lid. 500 grams minced beef, 1 thinly chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander and parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional. Mix well all the spices and herbs with the minced beef. Roll the minced beef into patties. Three potatoes cut in slices. 4 tomatoes cut in slices. 2 tomatoes diced. 1 chopped onion. 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander and parsley. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. 3 minced garlic cloves. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and half a glass of water. In a hot tajine or a hot pot, add the olive oil. Add the onion, the ginger garlic paste, add the tomatoes, and mix every time you add an ingredient. Add the coriander and parsley. The salt, the black pepper, the paprika, the cumin, the turmeric, and mix everything well. Add the tomato puree. And half a glass of water. Mix well and start adding 1 sliced potato, 1 minced patty and 1 sliced tomato. Repeat until the whole tajine is all filled. Add some green olives, cover and cook for 30 minutes or until the potatoes and minced beef are cooked. Et voila, our tajine is ready. This tajine is so simple and quick to make. It's the best meal you can have after a long day. It's full of flavors and packed with nutritious ingredients and takes less than 30 minutes to prepare. If you want to save even more time, just mix all the minced beef ingredients into a mixer and add it to the mince and spices. You can eat this delicious tajine with a healthy wholemeal home bread. Bon appétit! I will leave the link for the homemade bread in the description box. If you like this video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.